Hello everyone, Ji, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Softex. In this video today I will tell you how to install a Blender software in our PCs using Windows 10. So now I will tell you what is basically what is Blender software. A Blender software is basically a 3D graphics tool app in which we can edit our images in 3D version. So this is mostly used by graphic designers. So whenever you want to learn Blender and you are learning and working on Blender, so you need to install the Blender software in your PCs with free of cost. So just on the Google website, we will write Blender and we'll press the enter, and the first link we will got is blender.org. So click on that link, blender.org, and here is the website of the Blender. So we will just click on the download button, and here we will and here you will got the latest version of Blender. So just we want to click on the Blender. So it is basically for Windows, so we will go for download Blender. If your PCs have a Mac and Linux, then you can go with here. Okay, so we will go with download Blender, and the downloading of the software has been started. You can see here over here this has been downloading. We will watch until the software has been downloaded. Then I will show you how can we install this software on our PCs. Okay, so now you can see that the Blender software has been downloaded in our PC. Now we will right click and install. Okay, so this is the first interface of Blender software. So just we will click on next button. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. And we'll install it in the C drive. So click on next, install. So now the Blender software is now installing in our PCs. It is free of cost software for graphic designers, and you can use this tool freely and easily and make your images editing in 3D tools using a Blender software. Alright, G. So Blender software has been installed in our PC. So we will click on the finish button to close the setup. Now you can also see a shortcut key over here on the desktop, and you can also click on the start button, and you can also open a grid using this. So we will right click on here and we will just open the Blender so that I can show you that it is without any um, free with this software is free of cost and without any um, cracking the software or purchasing the software. So this tool is basically free of cost. Alright, so this is the first interface that you can see over here, and okay, so this is the tool. You can use that tool and to make your pictures 3D using these tools free of cost. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.